Top 5 Mini Scuba Tanks. Number 5. Sea Pearls 80 Aluminum Scuba Diving Air Tank. The Sea Pearls 80 Aluminum Scuba Diving Air Tank is another great option for your scuba adventures. Even if your purpose is not scuba, but to fill air guns, etc., you will find this diving air tank much to your liking. Not only is this diving tank easy to use, it is safe too. It is a little on the heavy side, weighing around 40 pounds when empty. You might, therefore, need help to carry it, such as using a hand truck. This scuba tank, however, has a decent pressure capacity of 3000 psi. In any event, your Sea Pearls is a standard 80 aluminum scuba tank that comes equipped with a K-valve. It is also quite reasonably priced if you are on a budget and need the best scuba diving tank you can afford. So, even if you only dive for fun or you really need a tank to fill your air gun, etc., the Sea Pearls 80 aluminum diving tank is your best bet. Highlighted features. Pressure capacity of 3000 psi. Easy and safe to use. Equipped with a K-valve. A little heavy when not in water, so you may need help to carry it around. Coming in number 4. 80 cubic foot scuba dive tank Faber. Another selection from the best scuba diving tank is the Faber 80 cubic foot scuba dive tank. It is a high pressure tank made of steel and is quite compatible with any regulator. This scuba diving cylinder is also resistant to corrosion and is long-lasting thanks to its chromium molybdenum finish. Expect to have the 80 cubic foot scuba diving tank for many scuba sessions to come. Included with the scuba diving tank is a DIN-compatible tank that drains itself and a Pro Valve standard yoke. You can also use this scuba tank for nitrox as it is compatible to around 40%, which is the limit for recreational use of nitrox. Your diving expeditions can definitely be more fulfilling with this reliable and effective scuba tank made by one of the best in the market. Highlighted features. The 80 cubic foot scuba dive tank is made for high pressure performance. This cylinder is certified by the DOT to E13488 specifications. It does not require overfilling. Like all cylinders in the FX series, this cylinder is cleaned with oxygen and it is suitable for use with nitrox. The inlet thread is 3/4 inches. Without the valve, the height of this cylinder is 20.87 inches and the diameter is 7.24 inches. It weighs 28.6 pounds without the valve. Coming in number 3. 80 cubic foot Alum scuba tank, Catalina. Isn't it nice to have your own scuba tank, instead of renting one? What better tank to have than the 80 cubic foot aluminium tank from Catalina? Certainly, you won't have bad experiences with one of the best scuba diving tank choices on the market. Simply fill up your scuba tank and go on your scuba adventure. For persons who do a lot of scuba diving, it is good to have a reliable and trustworthy scuba tank, and the Catalina 80 cubic foot aluminium tank is another great choice. Even if you do not clock as many hours of dive time, you can still afford to own this scuba tank as it is also quite reasonably priced. Highlighted features. The Catalina is ready for use with nitrox, up to 40%. The working air pressure is 3000 psi. Equipped with a high flow capacity valve, DIN for technical diving or yoke for recreational diving. The weight is manageable, 31.6 pounds or 14.33 kilograms. Coming in number 2. XS Scuba Pony Bottle Scuba Tank. Designed by Catalina, the scuba tank is a reliable solution for those on longer dives. Its 30 cubic foot capacity makes it a suitable option for dives longer than just 10 minutes. Made from aluminum, the tank holds up well in time. Free from rust, it allows divers to follow their passion for years to come. With thick walls, the tank can also take small hits and still work well in time. But divers mostly appreciate it for its higher air capacity. With aluminum construction, the tank is also not the heaviest option to carry around. Pros. Made with thick walls. Works with first stage regulators. Lightweight aluminum construction. Suitable for ling diving sessions. Cons. Needs filling with air. Coming in number 1. Dxdiver Bailout Pony Bottle Diving Kit with Hose. At 6 cubic feet, the tank is suitable for most beginner divers. It has a standard pressure point of 3000 psi with a 2-stage pressure gauge. This is why during refills, users will always know what to expect and how much oxygen to actually add to the tank. With an included regulator, breathing with the tank is easy and constant. While it adds more air than other tanks, it is still small and it can be a top option for the occasional diver and even for enthusiasts who value good mobility. Made with a nylon sleeve and a Velcro strap, the tank is easy to adjust and mount. But its main advantage remains its larger carry capacity, and users can consider it even as an inspired first purchase instead of the rather small 3 cubic foot alternatives. Pros: store 6 cubic feet. Included regulator for easy breathing. Made with an included fill adapter. Included strap and nylon sleeve. Cons: doesn't come with air from the factory.